Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Fidelity 2FA methods to a new phone step by step clearly. To transfer your Fidelity two-factor authentication methods to a new phone, begin by preparing your new device. Ensure your new phone is fully set up and connected to the internet. Open the Fidelity app on your old phone. Navigate to the security settings within the app. Look for the two-factor authentication section. Select the option to manage or update your 2FA settings. Take note of any backup codes provided, as these may be needed during the transfer. On your new phone, download and install the Fidelity app from the App Store. Open the app and log in with your existing account credentials. Once logged in, locate the option to set up two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions for this step. If you have an Authenticator app set up, open it on your old phone. Scan the QR code displayed on your new phone with the Authenticator app. Complete the verification process by entering the code generated by the Authenticator app. If you're using SMS or email for 2FA, ensure these options are enabled on your new phone. Test the two-factor authentication by logging out and back into your Fidelity account. Upon logging in, verify that the new phone receives the authentication codes. Once confirmed, remove the old phone from your security settings to secure your account. You have now successfully transferred your Fidelity 2FA methods to your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.